How to buy GhibliCZ token. Now this token came under the symbol of Ghibli. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 14 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours, and this token also turns in #1 in the BNB Smart Chains section. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, open your wallet. I will use the BitGate wallet for that. Now go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called Ghibli. Now click on it. Here, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. Now after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Ghibli token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.